This is a video introducing the key features of FLAREFX 11-in-1 air fryer oven with dual heating system. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of spacious 4.5 quart flat design. Cook more at once with the innovative 4.5 quart flat basket. The wide, shallow design provides up to 30% more usable cooking area than traditional deep baskets, perfect for laying out ingredients evenly so everything cooks thoroughly without stacking or uneven heating. Ideal for families or batch cooking. Dual handle for easy tossing and lifting. Designed for comfort and stability, the double handle basket allows you to lift safely with both hands even when it's filled with food. Toss fries or shake ingredients effortlessly for crisp, evenly cooked results every time. Top and bottom dual heating system, no flipping needed. Enjoy perfectly even cooking without turning your food halfway through. The upgraded dual heating elements deliver rapid, 360 degrees air circulation from both the top and bottom, ensuring golden brown, crispy textures on every side. Smart presets and versatile cooking. With 11 built-in functions, including air fry, bake, roast, grill, pizza, and dehydrate, one-touch presets make it simple to achieve perfect results for every meal. Easy to clean and space-saving. Features a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and rack for quick cleanup. The full metal interior wipes clean easily, while the vertical storage design and cord wrap help keep your counter tidy and organized. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.